Snana Yatra of Lord Jagannath, a significant festival in honor of Lord Jagannath, holds immense scientific, astrological, astronomical, spiritual and cultural importance. Scientific significance: 1. Preservation and rejuvenation of wooden idols. The cycle of bathing, drying and repainting helps maintain the integrity of the wooden deities. 2. Ayurvedic practice. Deity fall ill after bath. Ritualistic treatments symbolically acknowledge the need of care and restoration, applying human-like attributes to the divine. 3. Hygienic and cleaning aspects. The act of bathing itself universally symbolizes purification and cleaning. Spiritual significance. Snana Yatra commemorates the appearance day of Lord Jagannath, symbolizing purification and rejuvenation. The ritualistic bathing of the deities is believed to cleanse devotees' sins and grant spiritual merit. This festival marks the beginning of Lord Jagannath's preparations for Ratha Yatra, a grand chariot procession. Astronomical significance. 1. Full moon day. The festival coincides with the full moon day of the Jyestha month, typically in June or July. The lunar cycle plays a crucial role in determining the festival's date, highlighting the connection between astronomical events and cultural practices. 2. Lunar calendar. The Hindu calendar uses both lunar and solar cycles to determine dates, fixed according to lunar phase, making link to astronomical observation of the moon. 3. Precursor to Rath Yatra and seasonal change. The timing of the festival often aligns with important seasonal shift. This timing can be seen as a symbolic presentation for the agricultural cycle and invoking the divine rituals to the natural rhythm of the earth and sky. 4. Cosmic alignment. Devotees believe that participating the rituals on these days aligns them with benevolent cosmic forces, leading to spiritual growth and the removal of karmic burden. Astrological significance. 1. Full moon of Jyeshtha. Astrologically considered a powerful time, often associated with heightened energies, culmination and spiritual potency. 2. Lord Jagannath's appearance day. According to the Skand Purana, Snana Yatra is considered the auspicious day of Lord Jagannath. 3. Connection to Ganesha, Hati Besha. Astrologically, Ganesha is the remover of obstacles, deity of wisdom. So the rituals believed to invoke blessings for overcoming challenges and auspicious beginning. 4. Ansara period and planetary alignments. Astrological interpretations suggest suitable time for introspection, meditation and inner healing. In Vedic astrology, Snana Yatra is associated with the renewal of spiritual energy and the purification of the soul. The bathing ritual is believed to balance the planetary influences, promoting spiritual growth and well-being. Rituals and ceremonies. Some notable aspects of Snana Yatra include: sacred bathing. The deities are bathed with 108 pots of consecrated water drawn from the temple's golden well. Special decorations. After the bath, the deities are dressed in elephant attire, Hati Besha, symbolizing their divine form. Public darshan. Thousands of devotees gather to witness this grand spectacle, making it a rare opportunity for public viewing. Cultural importance. Snana Yatra showcases the rich cultural heritage of Odisha and the Jagannath temple, attracting pilgrims worldwide. The festival's significance extends beyond its spiritual context, representing a celebration of community, tradition, and devotion. Snana Yatra is a multi-layered festival where religious faith, cultural traditions and practical considerations converge, offering a holistic experience of purification, renewal and divine connection.